Ever wondered how to make the perfect chicken and dumplings? It's a classic comfort food that warms the soul and delights the taste buds, with its tender chicken and fluffy dumplings all bathed in a savory broth. First off, gather all the necessary ingredients. You'll need extra virgin olive oil, boneless, skinless chicken breasts, kosher salt, freshly ground black pepper, a package of peeled and diced butternut squash, celery, an onion, lower sodium chicken broth, fresh dill, white whole wheat flour, baking soda, cold unsalted butter, low-fat milk, and thawed frozen peas. Start by heating the olive oil in a large saucepan until it's hot. Season the chicken with a bit of salt and pepper, then add it to the oil. Stir it around until the chicken is no longer pink on the outside, but not fully cooked through. This should take about 2 minutes. Then, transfer the chicken to a bowl, making sure to keep the oil in the pan. Next, add the squash, celery, and onions to the pan, stirring occasionally until the onions soften. This should take about 5 minutes. Pour in the chicken broth, add a couple of dill sprigs, and 3 cups of water. Bring the mixture to a boil, then reduce the heat to maintain a steady simmer. Allow it to simmer until a knife can easily pierce through the squash. This should take about 15 minutes. Dean. While that's simmering, you can prepare the dumplings. Whisk together the flour, baking soda, salt, and pepper in a small bowl. Then, cut the butter into the flour using your fingertips until the mixture forms coarse crumbs. Stir in the milk just until a dough forms. With the dough ready, stir the chicken and peas into the simmering broth and bring it back to a simmer. Drop teaspoons of the dough into the simmering broth, spacing them evenly to make about 16 dumplings. Cover and simmer on medium-low for 5 minutes. Uncover and simmer for another 3 minutes until the dumplings are cooked through. Before serving, discard the dill sprigs and top the dish with chopped fresh dill. And there you have it, a perfectly comforting bowl of chicken and dumplings. This dish is not just a meal, it's an experience. The tender chicken, the fluffy dumplings, and the savory broth come together to create a symphony of flavors that will leave you feeling satisfied and comforted. So the next time you're in the mood for some classic comfort food, remember this recipe for the perfect chicken and dumplings. You won't be disappointed.